Welcome to Helix, the first professional wireless security system that can be easily installed any place in the home. This is Chapter 1 of the Helix instructional series outlining the steps required to install the Helix panel. Everything you need to install the Helix security system comes standard in the box. This includes the desktop mounting stand, the UL-compliant security system, a power supply, an Ethernet cable enabling communications, and an instruction manual. For a period of time, we're also including a Nanomax door window sensor as well. Please review the manual for additional details on configuring your system. While it's possible to install the Helix on a wall, the recommended installation would use the desktop bracket. You simply insert the Helix panel into the base until it rests securely on the bottom. There's an alignment notch on the back side to ensure proper placement in the base. Adding communications uses the Ethernet cable provided. Plug one end of the cable into the slot on the back side of Helix and the other end into an open port on the home's router. Apply power by plugging the barrel connector into the slot just under the Ethernet cable and the power supply into an unswitched outlet in the home. You can secure that using the outlet cover screw as noted. The Helix system will emit a long beep and the LEDs will begin to light up. The top 5 LEDs should turn green with the top one blinking indicating AC power. It may take up to 30 seconds for the communication LEDs to come solid green.
Remember, we offer nationwide UL monitoring services starting at $10 per month with no contracts, no activation fees, and your rates will never go up. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment below or call us at 877-364-0918. You can also visit us online at advancedsecurityllc.com or check out our YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.